Hello viewers, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? So quickly guys, today I have this wonderful recipe that I want to share with you. This recipe works an instant back to sender against stubborn enemy who want to destroy your life, and it is a kind of back to sender that has to deal with karma. I don't know if you're getting me. It has to do with karma. It is the back to sender that when you do, nature, nature will just carry it and deliver it to you immediately you are done with it. But the most important thing here, before you do this type of back to sender, make sure that you have not in any way harmed anybody. Make sure that you have not in any way think bad against someone, or even think on how to close someone's business, or how to think how to destroy someone's life, or sorry or how to cause sickness in his or her life. That is the only way that will make this particular back to sender to work immediately, even after you are done doing it. I don't know if you're getting me. But before I go into that teaching, I want to use this great opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. God Almighty will bless you. Will bless you beyond measure. And I said, say, and for those of you who are just joining me for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Anno. Here in this channel, we teach you how to use little things around you to solve some of the spiritual problems around you. Okay. So guys, a lot of people has been asking me, I know, what are you using? What type of remedy are you using on your skin? Now, I just want to give you that answer. That answer is this: I like applying natural fruit on my skin, okay, even without using cream. I've not used cream for a while now, so if you want to know what I use, the type of fruit that I used on my skin, please go and follow my Facebook page at Natural Bleaching. Just search Natural Bleaching, follow us. It's just a new page which I just started newly. I just want to use that page to show you guys, to show a lot of people that they can actually achieve any skin tone of their, if in fact achieve anything that I want to achieve on the skin using natural fruits. Okay, you don't need to break the bank, you don't need to spend whole of money in spa, in expensive cream and all that. Okay, so you can actually achieve any type of skin tone that you want to achieve. All you have to do is just to be consistent, and you see it manifesting. If I tell you get that for like 5 months now, I have not rubbed pomade on this body, you will not believe. So after bathing, I normally apply my fruit recipe, so you can as well follow up on that page. Okay, so guys, moving on to today's video and what brought me here. Now, if for example you are a businessman, you are a businesswoman, and all of a sudden your business just stop booming. All of a sudden your business is no longer responding. All of a sudden sickness begins to surface on your body, and you know that yes, truly, when this your business was actually moving on, you did not soil your hand. You did not do money ritual because of your business. You did not do anything, just by God's grace that made your business to be moving that way. And all of a sudden, evil people, evil eye, begin to see your business. Now, they begin to do one or two black magic against your business. And all of a sudden, your business started collapsing. You no longer sell. When you go to the shop early in the morning, you only come back home with just little change. And you keep on ordering. You have used spiritual product this, you have used this type of spiritual product, this and this, and yet you have done cleansing, you have done this, you have used oil, you have used this, you have used that, and yet it is still the same. Do not worry. You don't need anybody to tell you that that is the handwork of the devil. You understand? If it's not caused by your chi, if it's not caused by people who are protecting you on this earth that have not settled, that means it is caused by some evil eyes. You understand? It is called by evil eyes because of your goodness, because of the way your business is moving now, it has allowed them to attract envy on your business. So if you are facing such a problem for a while now, and you know that it's not caused by your guiding angels, you have done as in some rituals, some little sacrifice. When you know some people when they hear sacrifice, they think it's sacrifice means human sacrifice. There's a lot of sacrifice. Do you know that Saraka is also part of sacrifice? A lot of people don't know because it's called Saraka. I think it's different from sacrifice. See, let me tell you, anything given out is called sacrifice. It's not necessarily means that it should be human sacrifice. So when you hear sacrifice, do not take it, do not get it twisted. Do not say sacrifice again. What is sacrifice? There are a lot of sacrifice. A lot. So it depends on the one you are offering that determines the type of sacrifice you are actually performing. You understand? Giving out clothes, giving out the shoe that they are not wearing, giving out money. They are all what categorized under sacrifice. I don't know if you're getting me. So now, if your business that is collapsing is not caused by your maybe your guiding angel because you are no longer giving them sacrifice or what they normally eat, and it's caused by evil eyes, this is what you need to do. First, this is a very strong back to sender that will destroy that person. Yes, that will destroy everything that they have done against your business. And not only that, the people who are behind your downfall in your business, who are behind your downfall in your health, will not go scot free. Because you know why? We are using nature on this particular recipe. So to do that, you need what? Sand. You need sand. The sand that you will get, please listen very well. The type of sand that you will get, you need a sand from four junction. You know, if there are difference between four junction, three junction, two junction. So when we tell you use sand from three junction, there is a meaning for that. When we tell you use sand or do this in the three junction, do this in the two junction, do this in the four junction, they all have meaning. Four junction means west, north, south, and east, and that is where all the powers, that is where all the spirit that you can think of gathers at night to do their meeting. So whatever you are doing there, they are also hearing. Okay, so just gather the sound from the four junction, come back to your house, and then enter prayer. Enter prayer with your name, with that your business name, with your own personal name. Do not use documented name because a lot of people like using documented name when it comes to spiritual work. So when you're using documented name in spiritual exercise, it doesn't really give a positive result like that. So use your own original name that your parents named you when they gave birth to you. Okay, so when you use this, enter a prayer. Enter prayer. This prayer should be done at midnight. If you cannot do it midnight, you can decide to do fasting. Maybe 3 days fasting, 6 to 12 or 6 to 3, depending on where your strength can carry. Okay. So while you are on the prayer, please read Psalm 35. Read Psalm 35 on the sand while you are holding the sand. Okay, after Psalm 35, read it like 2 times on the sand, and then read Psalm 140 on the sand. Okay, after reading Psalm 140, now close it with Psalm 1. Close it with Psalm 1. And after reading all of this sand, now get that your sand. If it is in a paper, of course, you're going to be putting it in a paper after fetching it from the four junction. Okay, so after making your prayer for 3 days, the prayer should be done for 3 days. It's not going to be a sitting. Yeah, just make sure that it complete 3 days. And after making that prayer, use the sand to do what? To round your head 4 times, and then use it to cleanse your body. And after that, do you know what next to do? Please look for a slaughter. Do you know slaughter? Where they normally kill animals, cow, ram, bullocks, and all of these things. Slaughter is slaughter. Any slaughter at all in your area, go there and do what? And said, as this person wishes you evil, as this person wishes you death, as this person wishes you misfortune, let death, let sickness that is in this slaughter do what? Be their portion. Whatever they do to any animal they brought here, that is what is going to happen in that person's life. Then you do what? You lose the sound. You throw it, just leave it, just pour it on the slaughter, and then turn back when you go to your home. sorry, when you get to your home, just use sea salt, put it in your bathing water, and then bet. Bet. And as from that day, if there is any part of your body that is not responding well in terms of sickness, you are going to be seeing results. You will start feeling that part reviving, coming to life. If you do it because of your business, after doing it, go to your shop the next day and you begin to see a very positive change in that your business. This is a very powerful back to sender. You see, those who did that against you, they are human beings. Even if they're not human beings, if they are spirit, if they call them the spirit, once it has come in contact with sand and with four junction where all the spirit gathered, the case is settled and it will turn back to that person. Do you know what you just did? You just reported that person to the spirit and the human beings, to the spirit world and to the human being. You understand? So guys, that is just the end of this video for today. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, after watching this video, like it for me, leave your comment in the comment section, and also make sure that you share this video. And do not ask, if you want to ask question, please leave it at the comment, and do not come to my channel, to my WhatsApp to ask question. Madam, my channel is meant for what? For order. If you want to order any spiritual products, please let it be on my WhatsApp. All you have to do is to chat me on the WhatsApp 09059825779. Do not use my WhatsApp as a question page. My WhatsApp is not a question page, so you can ask any question. And if you feel that you cannot ask question, good and fine. Okay. So guys, that's just the end of this video for today. I hope you love it. All right. See you guys on my next video. Do have a lovely afternoon. Bye.